कुछ लेक्चर नहीं होने वाला है, एंड आई एम नॉट अ टीचर, मैं टीचर नहीं हूँ, आई एम योर फ्रेंड, आई एम योर ब्रदर, आई एम योर मेंटर. ओके, so first of all I want your participation guys. This is going to be two-way communication. आज मैं आपको communication सिखाने आया हूँ, so we will implement that thing in this workshop only, here only. All right, so I want your participation. Please type your city. Where do you belong to? Most probably near here in Greater Noida, Delhi NCR only. But please type your city, guys. Deepak, Pushpendra, Rishabh,
पूरा रिकॉर्ड कर रहा
Vishal,
हूँ
Buxar.
रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ
All right, Allahabad, Kanpur, Bihar.
बिहार से
All right, Bulandshahr. All right, Greater Noida, Soumya. Quick, guys. We have to be active. This is about communication, guys. Communication. One more thing I want from you. Please switch on your cameras if possible. I want to make it interactive. Yeah, you can see me. I want to see you. I want to make it two-way communication. Interactive banana chahta hu. So please switch on the camera if possible for you. It would be great. Bhopal, Kanpur, Sonbhadra, Raigad, Hardoi. All right.
Is very true. Please switch on your cameras because you will really enjoy. It has to be interactive, two-way communication. Yes, very good, Rishabh. Very good.
Thank you. Action takers, Rishabh, kudos to you. Kudos. Vishal.
थैंक यू सर.
All right. Okay. So let me just show you my presentation. Begusarai. Right. All right. Can you see the presentation, guys? A quick yes or no chat box, or just unmute yourself and let me know.
नो सर. या इट इज विजिबल.
Okay.
It is
It will
visible.
be visible within a while if you are not able to. Okay. Perfect. So today we are going to talk about communication and public speaking. Guys, आप लोग स्टूडेंट हैं बीटेक के. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं जानना चाहता हूँ यार किस लैंग्वेज में आप सुनना चाहते हैं मुझे, हिंदी, इंग्लिश और इंग्लिश. लेट मी नो क्विकली.
सर इंग्लिश विल बी बेटर.
Okay. Okay, most of you are North Indian, so English would be better, huh? Mix. Great.
यस सर.
Got your answer. So, communication. Guys, communication और public speaking, दो चीज़ों के बारे में आज हम लोग बात करेंगे. And आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप अपना नोटपैड और पेन लेकर साथ में बैठिए. You can take a lot of notes. Okay. You will be having a lot of insights. Let me tell you beforehand. Next 90 minutes can change your life, guys. Yes. ये एक मेरा promise है आपसे, right? This is my promise beforehand. Next 90 minutes can actually change your life if you actually implement that stuff in your life. Fine. You can just take notes or you can just take a photo of the presentation. Now, what all we will be learning? Three things. I will talk about three things today. Supreme essentials of communication, communication structure, and three-step influential process, guys. Supreme essentials of communication. मजा आने वाला है आपको जान के. उसके बाद communication structure. Let me tell you, it will just blow your mind. आपके सोचने का नजरिया ही चेंज कर देगा ये स्ट्रक्चर when I'll tell you this particular structure. And three-step influential process. Influential process. फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कर रहे हैं या फिर आप one-on-one conversation कर रहे हैं, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. This influential process fits everywhere. हर जगह फिट हो जाता है. This particular 3-step influential process. Okay, उससे पहले मेरा प्रोफाइल मैडम ने बता ही दिया है. I'll just take a quick view of that. I am a Josh Talks speaker, guys. अगर आपने मेरी Josh Talks की वीडियो नहीं देखी है, just go on YouTube and type Ankit Jain Josh Talk. You will find my video. Ankit Jain Josh Talk. I'm a mentor at CGI. I'm already told this. I'm a civil servant by profession and a coach, communication coach by passion. I've been doing this public speaking from past 4 years. I have around 9 years of experience in government service and 4 years of coaching and mentoring experience. Now, you know this guy.
Vivek Vindra.
Yeah.
Vivek
So,
Vindra.
I think 100% of you might be knowing him.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
ma'am have already told you that now, along with these guys, Girish Agarwal ji, Manu Jain, you know Manu Jain,
Yes, sir.
Xiaomi.
Xiaomi director,
True.
Indian director.
So now I am also the professor at Bada Business Private Limited. Okay. If you, okay, just, can I share this with you? Just a second, guys. Just- Here it is. Here is the link. You can just find me almost everywhere, like Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, everywhere I'm there. Okay, just go on internet and find by my name or just click on this link. I'll be there. All right. Now, I have a disclaimer. Before starting the session, I have a disclaimer for you. The disclaimer is, I have nothing to teach you. I have nothing to teach you. Guys, this is the truth. This is the truth. Because everything depends on your mindset. Mindset. If you are not sitting here with an open mind, आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आने वाला. कुछ भी समझ नहीं आने वाला. Right? So please sit here with an open mind and with an intention to actually learn. Okay. आपका कॉलेज ITS आपको इतनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. प्लीज मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. नाउ I have nothing to teach you until and unless you are committed to learn, you have an open mind, and you are willing to learn. And the last but not the least, you are actually going to implement that thing in your life. Implementation is the key. Guys, I can talk for 90 minutes and I can talk for 900 minutes continuously. But the thing is, क्या फायदा होगा? Right? Implementation आपको करना होगा. Implementation मैं नहीं कर सकता. Okay, and you will be implementing this stuff in your life. If you get stuck somewhere, just get connected with me. I promise you here, I will reply you. I will reply each one of you. Wherever you stuck, just let me know. Anywhere on Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, anywhere. Okay. So, first of all, my humble request, I need your 100% attention. 100% attention, your commitment. Any questions you want to ask, just ask. Maybe you can ask at the end of the session. I will not go anywhere without solving your queries, your questions. N number of questions you want to ask, just ask me. Okay, I would love to answer every question that comes my way. Pen and paper you can just take and start making the notes. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Guys, the problem is we invest 95% of our life, 95% of our time in learning the hard skills. You know, what are the hard skills? Anybody can tell me?
The coding, technical knowledge.
Technical knowledge. Coding can be one of that. True. Technical knowledge. जैसे आप engineers हैं, so engineering, mechanical, electrical, so many streams are there. That is your hard skill. But the problem is we are investing almost all of our time in learning the hard skills. What about the soft skill? जो आपको इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने में मदद करेगी, जो आपको प्रमोशन लेने में मदद करेगी, जो आपको like after getting promoted you will go to that director level, that CEO level. How you will reach there? Only and only with the help of communication skills. That is soft skill. So please start investing your time on that. So communication, John Powell, my personal favorite, John Powell says that communication works for those who work at it. आपको काम करना पड़ेगा कम्युनिकेशन पर, खुद की सॉफ्ट स्किल्स पर काम करना पड़ेगा, राइट? नाउ this is my golden statement, my personal golden statement that I tell to all of my students, all of my mentees. That is the quality of your communication. Guys, the quality of your communication determines the quality of your life. आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, आप एक इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने जाते हैं, लाइक यू आर इनटू इंजीनियरिंग राइट नाउ, यू मे बी इन एनी सेमेस्टर 8, 9 व्हाटएवर इट इज द सेमेस्टर, मेरे से 8 सेमेस्टर होते होंगे, राइट? इन 4 years आप किसी भी सेमेस्टर में हो सकते हैं. यू आर अ फ्रेशर. लेट्स सपोज देयर आर 50 स्टूडेंट्स अपीयरिंग इन एन इंटरव्यू. प्लीज टेल मी वन थिंग, all are having the same stream, all are applying for the same post, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everybody is applying
Yes,
for the
sir.
same post. Everybody is having the same knowledge base, everybody is in the same niche, but job किसको मिलेगी? जो अपनी बात को कम्युनिकेट कर पाएगा, जो अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर पाएगा. सो प्रेजेंटेशन इज द की, कम्युनिकेशन इज द की. वो आपको सीखना पड़ेगा दोस्त, सीखना ही पड़ेगा. Now, guys, I want to tell you this thing. No, and personally, I want to tell you this thing, that this masterclass is actually meant for you. You know why? Because there is a winner inside you. Why I'm calling you winner? Why I'm calling you winner? I will tell you now. Monica ma'am and her team, उन्होंने आपको email भेजी, right? They sent the email to almost like maybe 100 or 500 students. Yes, but 35 turn up. Hence, I'm telling you, you are a winner because you have that hunger to learn. I promise you guys, I promise you, next 90 minutes of your life, I'm not going to waste that. Everybody's time is precious. आप पछताएंगे नहीं ये 90 मिनट मेरे साथ बिताकर. That is my promise, personal promise. Okay. So, there is a winner inside you. Congratulations, guys, because you are above 90%. 90%. कैसे? How can you above 90%? Because only 10% people take initiative. आपने भी एक initiative लिया. आपने भी एक decision लिया that 12 o'clock you have to be present in this workshop, in this masterclass, and you are here. Congratulations. Rest 90% might be sleeping, might be having some food. They might be enjoying their life. Yeah, they might be binge watching something. But now you are here.
I'm intervening in between, Mr. Ankit. I mean, I am really glad to see my few students, like they all are good. Like Abhay, Abhishek Jaiswal, he's in a final year student. They are very, very good student. In fact, they have good English, but still he has joined. And apart from Abhishek Jaiswal, none of them have joined in the final year. Though I am able to see good number of students in second year as well as in third year. And other branch student has also joined because we have sent invite to all students of the college, irrespective of the branch. Because communication we are talking about is not related with any branch. It's
Correct.
all about the personality. But as you have mentioned very rightly in the beginning that you are a winner. I totally in agreement with you. And I am also enjoying your lecture a lot. And now please carry on. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. And yes, you are the winner. You are the winner. Beyond any doubt. Yeah. You take action when others are sleeping. Yeah. You have taken action. Congratulations, guys. Deep within, I know that you, somewhere deep within, you want to be a good communicator. कि जब आप कुछ बोलें तो लोग आपको सुने. Yes. You want to be a fantastic speaker. You want that attention. You want that respect. Everybody want that. Everybody want that. I don't need to ask from you. I know. Yes, everybody want that attention and respect. Everybody want to be successful. Everybody want to become an affluent person. Yeah. अब मुझे एक बात बताइए, आप ये सारी चीजें चाहते हैं लाइफ में, किसके लिए चाहते हैं आप? For whom you want to be a good public speaker? For whom you want to be an affluent person? Just let me know. Unmute yourself and just quickly answer. किसके लिए?
Self. Self.
Self. What else?
To make life successful.
Life, ourselves. Okay. That's true. That's true. For yourself at the first hand, then for your parents, for your society, and for those people who doubted you. You have to prove them wrong. Yes, you have to prove them wrong. Those people who have doubted you, you have to do that. Yeah, that winner is hidden. That winner is always hidden behind that fear and self-belief. ये जो self-belief होता है ना दोस्तों, I really want to talk a lot about self-belief, our limiting beliefs. अगर आप limiting beliefs के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, just go and watch my YouTube video, Ankit Jain Josh Talk. Okay, YouTube पर डालिएगा, you will find that video. That video is very long, around 30 minutes video it is, around 28 minutes. और उसमें लगभग 10 मिनट तक मैंने self-belief के ऊपर बोला है. Please go and watch that video. That can actually change your life. That can actually transform your life. Yeah. I'm getting a lot of love on that particular video. Just go and watch that video. Now, you have to just bring out the real you. The real you. I'm talking about you. Yeah. Because I am also among you. I am also among you. मैं ऐसा क्यों कह रहा हूँ कि मैं भी आपके ही जैसा था और आपके ही जैसा हूँ. मैं ये इसलिए कह रहा हूँ. I don't have much time to explain my story, but I want to tell you in very, very crisp format that I was not good at studies, not at all. मतलब एक तो होता है average student and I was below average. Pass होना भी मेरा मुश्किल होता था in my 10th standard, in my 12th standard, then in BCom and then in MBA. Yeah. In 10th standard, 11th standard I was having back in compartment in mathematics, and 10th standard I got 55% marks, guys. 57%. I'm sorry. In 10th standard board exams I got 57% marks from CBSE board. And you know that from CBSE board 57 is nothing. और आप जानते हैं, मैंने उस वीडियो में भी बताया, जोश टॉक्स की वीडियो में, कि मेरी मदर ने पूरी कॉलोनी में मिठाई बांटी हुई on 57% marks जब मैं लेकर आया, because she was happy that okay that मैं एक क्लास जंप हो गया, like now I can study in 11th standard. She was so happy. Okay, so that is why I'm telling you that I am among you. Now, you have to do it at one point of your life. You have to do it. Communication तो सीखना पड़ेगा. There is no shortcut and there is no escape to it. भाग नहीं सकते इससे, भाग नहीं सकते. अगर आपको सक्सेसफुल बनना है लाइफ में, भाग नहीं सकते. आपको अगर बिजनेस भी करना है, अगर आपको जॉब नहीं करनी, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स बोलते हैं कि सर आई एम जस्ट डूइंग दिस बीटेक और एमबीए और समथिंग लाइक दैट एंड आई डोंट वांट टू डू अ जॉब. मुझे जॉब ही नहीं करनी. देन ऑल्सो if you want to become an entrepreneur, if you want to become a businessman, communication is must. आप अपने क्लाइंट से बात करेंगे, how will you talk to them? With excellent communication skills, आप अपने लिए वो रिजल्ट ला सकते हैं जो आप लाना चाहते हैं. But without communication, nothing can happen. Okay, I actually ran away despite I was having the talent. Everybody is having that talent. But if I talk about myself, I ran away from this thing, from communicating, from talking to people, from talking and from going to the stage and talking to the people. I ran away for years. For many years, I actually ran away. But you cannot run away for a long period of time. और यही मेरे साथ हुआ. कब तक भागता? In 2009, I took admission in MBA college. My alma mater is MERI College, Management Educational Research Institute. It's located in Janakpuri, New Delhi. Okay. In 2009, I joined an MBA course in that college, and there I got my mentor. The dean of that college of MERI, he is Shri Anil Agarwal ji. I got him as my mentor, and he told me, he guided me everything that अंकित भागने से कुछ नहीं होगा. ये 2 साल भी आपके खराब हो जाएंगे, जैसे अब तक आपके साल खराब हुए हैं. Yeah, and I actually implemented all the strategies, all the tips, tricks that he told me to do. And after that, I was an altogether different person. Altogether different person. Guys, let me tell you that. I'm not exaggerating. I'm not at all exaggerating. I was, after his mentorship, I was altogether different person. Now, you have to face it. Guys, you have to face it, maybe in your school and maybe in your college days while giving a presentation. Maximum students can't give a presentation effectively. Guys, what's happening with us? We can't give even a presentation effectively. We don't want to go and face the audience. Why this is so? Okay, I will just tell you everything. When you lead your team in your job, in your business, when you lead your team, when you go for interview, for promotions, when you go for business development, you are a sales representative of a company, you have to do it. Yeah, formal get together, family weddings, farewell speech. Farewell speech. Can you give a farewell speech? I bet 90% of you will say that, sir, I am comfortable sitting here in the audience. सर भीड़ के अंदर बैठा हूँ, मजा आ रहा है सर, आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल, भीड़ के साथ बैठा हूँ, नोबडी इज नोटिसिंग मी, सर मजा आ रहा है. गाइज, यू हैव टू कम आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन. बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा कंफर्ट जोन से, वरना भीड़ में ही आप रहोगे और भीड़ में ही खत्म हो जाओगे. गाइज, आई एम वेरी हार्श राइट नाउ, आई नो दैट, बट सॉरी टू से दैट, यही सच्चाई है लाइफ की. भीड़ के अंदर मजा आता है ना बैठने में, भीड़ से बाहर निकलो, शाउट, गो टू दैट स्टेज एंड अपनी बात बोलो सबके सामने. राइट, दैट इज द थिंग. इंटरेक्शन विद द ऑपोजिट सेक्स नहीं कर पाते हम लोग. लड़का लड़की से, लड़की लड़के से नहीं बात कर पाते. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम, दिस इज द बैरियर. कम्युनिकेशन इज द थिंग दैट कैन एक्चुअली ब्रेक ऑल द बैरियर्स, ऑल द बैरियर्स. कब तक करने वाले हो ये काम? आप में से कुछ लोग लास्ट सेमेस्टर चल रहा होगा, इंटरव्यूज के लिए कंपनी शायद आ रही होंगी, ऑलरेडी दे माइट बी कमिंग राइट नाउ. Till when you are going to do this? Just come out of your comfort zone, guys. Come out. Okay. And start working right now. This is a necessity. Public speaking is a necessity. Let me tell you that. And you can't escape it. Always remember, our time on this planet is limited. 60 to 70 years, that's it. Yes, time is very, very limited. Always try to be remembered after you are gone. Try to be remembered. अपना पर्सनल इंसिडेंट थोड़ा सा एक शेयर करता हूँ आपके साथ. From the past 8 years, 9 years, I'm in government service. I'm in income tax department, right? But then also, I was not satisfied with my life. I was happy. I was the most happiest guy in this world, and right now also, I'm the most happiest guy on this planet. But I was not satisfied with my life. I was not able to transform people's lives. मैं लोगों की जिंदगी में बदलाव नहीं ला पा रहा था. तो फिर 4 साल पहले, आज से 4 साल पहले मैंने ये डिसीजन लिया that I will teach people communication. I will teach students, professionals communication skills. Because मैं जानता हूँ, मैं भी एक Tier 2, Tier 3 सिटी से बिलोंग करता हूँ. I belong to Saharanpur, guys. Saharanpur. It's a town in the western belt of Uttar Pradesh, nearby Muzaffarnagar. You might be knowing that. I also belong to a Tier 2, Tier 3 city. Yes. So I have मैंने भी चीज एनकाउंटर करी है. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, लैक ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. और जब 4 साल पहले मैंने ये डिसीजन लिया, राइट नाउ आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड आई एम ऑल्सो सो मच सेटिस्फाइड. Why? Because I know that I will be remembered after I am gone. I will definitely be remembered. Right now, I have more than around 500 students I have right now that I have coached, that I have mentored personally, and they thank me a lot. And whenever they thank me, I get the fulfillment in my life that yes, Ankit, now you are doing the right job. That is why I always tell that teaching is the noble profession. Teaching, guys, teaching से बड़ा profession इस पूरी दुनिया में नहीं हो सकता. And the thing is, the problem is that हम लोग मानते हैं that being a prime minister is a powerful post, being a president, being a IAS is a powerful post, being an inspector is a powerful post. No. Being a teacher is the most powerful post. आप एक बार अब्दुल कलाम साहब से पूछा गया कि आप किस चीज के लिए जानना चाहते हैं, कि आपके मरने के बाद लोग आपको किस तरह पहचाने. He told them that I want to be remembered as a teacher, not a missile man, not the first man of India, not the president of India, not the eminent scientist of India, but a teacher. That is his fulfillment in his life. So always be remembered after you are gone. Now, बहुत हो गया ज्ञान, अब करते हैं प्रैक्टिकल बातें, राइट? क्विकली, कार्ल रॉजर्स, साइकोलॉजिस्ट कार्ल रॉजर्स क्या कहते हैं गाइस? प्लीज पे अटेंशन. Please pay attention. Real communication occurs when we listen with understanding to see from the perspective of the other person's point of view. Other person's point of view. क्या मतलब है इसका? I will explain you with the example of a salesman. Please pay attention, guys. मान के चलिए आप एक मॉल में जाते हैं, आप एक अपैरल शोरूम में जाते हैं, यू वांट टू बाय अ शर्ट, अ फॉर्मल शर्ट, राइट? आप उस शोरूम के अंदर जाते हैं, वहां पर एक सेल्समैन आता है. ही इज हैविंग एक्सीलेंट स्पोकन इंग्लिश स्किल्स. वो ऐसी इंग्लिश बोलता है कि वो जबरदस्त, मतलब सोते हुए भी वो इंग्लिश बोल सकता है, बहुत जबरदस्त, वेरी फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश ही कैन स्पीक. ही केम टू यू, ही सेड, सर हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू? आपने कहा, दोस्त मुझे शर्ट चाहिए. बॉस, आई वांट टू बाय अ शर्ट, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ शर्ट. Actually the problem is he was having a target. उसके पास टारगेट था अचीव करने के लिए, that he was having a target of selling 100 pair of trousers of that particular brand within that month, 100 pair of trousers, and he was not able to achieve that target. What he said to me, that sir, I will show you the shirts, but उससे पहले आप एक बार एक trousers का सेट देखिए. आप इसको सर हाथ में लेकर देखिए. This is very very comfortable. This is 100% linen and this is 100% economical. Just have a look at it. Just feel the stuff का. Sir, you're gonna love it. आप बोलते हैं, अब दोस्त मुझे नहीं खरीदना, मुझे शर्ट चाहिए दोस्त. वो कहता है, सर एक बार देखिए तो सही. What happened right now? What happened right now? The connection got lost. What will you do? You will just disappear from that showroom. Yes or no? You will not purchase anything from there because he is forcing you to just check out that pair of trousers. You don't want to do that. You are there to purchase a shirt. Hence, you need to find out what other person wants from you. सामने वाला इंसान आपसे क्या चाहता है. Then start communication. 3-step influential process, जो मेरा तीसरा टॉपिक है आज का, उसमें मैं बताऊंगा आपको. Yes, that how you will do that. Actually, how you will do that. Now, in layman terms, this everybody know. Communication is a two-way interaction between a sender and a receiver. Communication skill, guys. का कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है. दिस इज अ किंग स्किल. कम्युनिकेशन शब्द बना है फ्रॉम द वर्ड, दिस इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द वर्ड कम्यून, और कम्यून का मतलब है टू शेयर एंड नॉट टू टॉक. गाइस प्लीज पे अटेंशन. मैंने बोला कम्यून का मतलब है टू शेयर, इसका मतलब टू टॉक नहीं है. यस, एंड दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. यही गलती हम लोग करते हैं. क्या गलती करते हैं? आई विल टेल यू. कम्युनिकेटिंग मीन्स not to convince but to share, means listen first then speak. भगवान ने हमको 2 कान दिए हैं. why? In any meeting this will apply. You are having a conversation with your teacher, with your faculty, with your principal, director, with your boss, anybody, with your wife, with your spouse, anybody. 2 कान भगवान ने दिया और 1 मुंह दिया. why? Listen more and speak less. और हम लोग यही गलती करते हैं. हम लोग उसके पर्सपेक्टिव को सुनते ही नहीं हैं. पर्सपेक्टिव, there it is here. What other person wants from you. Yeah, that is very important. Now, here is the key. Communication is the process of interchanging information. Information means आप वो बोल के information बताएंगे, right? That is okay. Ideas, feelings and opinions. फीलिंग्स और ओपिनियंस हम लोग कैसे इंटरचेंज कर सकते हैं, दैट आई विल टेल यू इन माय सेकंड टॉपिक. कम्युनिकेशन स्ट्रक्चर. गाइस ये चीज आपने आज जान ली, दैट विल एक्चुअली ट्रांसफॉर्म योर लाइफ. Okay. With, again, very important, with or without the use of words, that is signals. Second topic में मैं ये चीज बताने वाला हूँ आपको. With or without the use of words. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? बिना बोले आप communicate कर सकते हैं. Yes. Just pay attention. Okay, now here I come to my very first topic of the day, that is 3 supreme essentials of communication. We will just take 5 minutes for that, then we will move on to the next second most important topic. 3 supreme essentials of communication. जब भी आप communicate कर रहे हैं, 3 चीजों का हमेशा ध्यान रखें, हमेशा. First is respect. Yeah, this is normal, this is very common. You have to show the respect. हमारे बड़े लोग, हमारे पेरेंट्स लोग यही सिखाते आए, हमारे टीचर्स यही सिखाते आए हैं. रिस्पेक्ट. अप्रिसिएशन. अप्रिसिएशन का क्या मतलब हुआ? लाइक maybe you are leading a team, you are a team lead in a company. Okay, you are leading a team of 10 people. You want to appreciate somebody. Appreciate in public. सबके सामने appreciate करो उसको. And if you want to criticize him or her, just do it in the closed doors. Okay, एक बंद कमरे में उसको criticize कीजिए. Criticize सबके सामने नहीं करना, but appreciate in front of everybody. That is the key thing to learn. And the third is courtesy. एक basic courtesy आपको show करनी है communication के लिए. Now, can anybody tell me what is the basic difference between respect and courtesy? Just unmute yourself and let me know, or just type there quickly, guys. Respect versus courtesy. What do you think? Yes, guys, whatever comes to your mind, just let me know. Whatever comes to your mind. Oh, Piyush, Pradyuman, Pragati, Pushpendra, Ravi, Rishabh. I will not let you sit idle. I will not let you do this. Guys, please speak up. This is communication class. Again, मैं आपको वही बोल रहा हूँ, guys. You will take away with you nothing. अपने साथ कुछ भी नहीं ला पाओगे आप, और मेरी भी मेहनत व्यर्थ जाएगी. Yes, waste हो जाएगा. Time, resources, everything will be wasted. Guys, just speak up. Speak up. Yeah. Yes. Correct. Is that to listen for some other things? What is courtesy? What is courtesy? Respectful words. Okay, I'll tell you quickly. Respect is in generalized term. In like generally, we have to respect everybody. That's perfect. Courtesy is situation specific. Situation specific. अब मैं आपको situation देता हूँ. That you are working.
Guts?
Pardon?
Is it term or guts?
I'm not getting you. Please come again.
Is it term as guts?
Guts. No. Well tried. Well tried. Thank you for trying. I'll tell you. Courtesy is situation specific, guys. Situation specific. मतलब आप मान के चलिए आप एक टाटा कंसल्टेंसी में काम करते हैं. You work in TCS, and right now you are having a meeting in which Ratan Tata ji is also there. Ratan Tata, आपकी meeting चल रही है. So many people are there. Now Ratan Tata wants to leave the room. He just stand up. उस वक्त आप क्या करेंगे? That is the basic courtesy, that you will also stand up. You will also raise with him. That is a basic courtesy. Okay, so courtesy is situation specific. Polite behavior, true. And respect is generalized in general terms. Now I just jump on to this topic, communication structure. Now I want your participation, guys. आपके participation के बिना ये topic पूरा नहीं हो पाएगा. ठीक है, आप मुझे बताइए, आप किसी से वन ऑन वन कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं या फिर आप एक पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कर रहे हैं? क्या सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है? क्या चीज सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है? बताइए. Yes, Piyush. Yeah. Feedback. Okay. You are communicating with somebody. Feedback is always very important. quick answers I want from you guys. Whatever is in your mind, just type here or just let us know. Confidence. True. Confidence is very important. Responses. Knowing the demand of other people. Knowing the demand of other people. What other person wants from you. And confidence. जैसा कि प्रधान जी ने बताया, confidence is also very important. How it is important? Guys, just imagine I am sitting in front of you right now. You are watching me. You are listening to me. अगर if I will sound underconfident, अगर मैं lack of confidence show करता हूँ, क्या आप मुझे सुनना पसंद करेंगे? No, not at all. You will just disappear. और आप ही नहीं, मैं ही. I will also do the same. अगर कोई अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट स्पीकर है और वो बोलने में हेजिटेट कर रहा है या फिर इज गेटिंग स्टक समवेयर, यू विल नॉट लिसन टू हिम. एटलीस्ट यू विल नॉट लिसन टू हिम एनी हाउ. ओके ओके, व्हाट एल्स? वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन. या, नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग बिजनेस. रवि कुमार शाह, नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग बिजनेस. वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन. ओके, राइट. कंटेंट. Okay, here I write content. True. Content is also very important. आप क्या बोल रहे हैं? Now tell me guys, I want again participation from you. मैंने आपसे कुछ बोला, right? For 1 minute, I had a word with you. Posture. Yes. True. Clarity. Absolutely प्रगति. I had a word with you. ठीक है, मैंने आपसे कुछ बोला. आप मुझे बताइए कि कंटेंट जो मैंने शब्द इस्तेमाल करे, द कंटेंट आई यूज, हाउ मच इंपॉर्टेंट इट इज. आउट ऑफ 100%, जस्ट गिव इट द परसेंटेज इन द चैट बॉक्स क्विकली. 90%, 100%, 2%, एनीथिंग. क्विकली गाइस, क्विकली. आई डोंट वांट यू टू स्लीप हियर. ओके, 95%. विशाल. अनुज 40%. क्विकली गाइस, व्हाटएवर यू थिंक. मैंने आपको बताया, आई एम नॉट अ टीचर. मैं आपको मारने नहीं वाला हूँ गाइज कि आपने गलत बताया. यू आर हैविंग अ रॉन्ग आंसर. प्लीज, आई एम योर फ्रेंड. 80%, 40%, 71, 90, 52, 60. वाओ. 205. वाओ, व्हाट अ नंबर. 205. 0%. तुषार वर्मा 0%. रवि 20%. ओके, रवि यू मीन टू से 20%. ओके, व्हाट एल्स? Now I tell you, communication structure में 3 V's होते हैं. 3 V's, guys, please note down. Verbal, vocal and visual. Verbal, vocal and visual. It will implement everywhere. फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप 1-on-1 conversation कर रहे हैं या फिर public speaking कर रहे हैं. And we were talking about verbal right now. Yeah, content. आपके शब्द, वो ने बताया 90%, 80%. Okay, the percentage, the weightage of verbal is this. Isn't it amazing? Yes. The truth is, verbal percentage is only 7%. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? इसका मतलब सिंपल सा ये हुआ कि कंटेंट मात्र 7% इंपॉर्टेंट है. 7%. तो फिर 93% क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है? यस, यू आर ऑन अ स्टेज, यू आर अ स्पीकर. 7% योर कंटेंट, केवल 7%. लोग आपके साथ एंगेज करेंगे, ये आपका कंटेंट डिसाइड नहीं करेगा. ये डिसाइड करेगा आपका रेस्ट 93%. नाउ I hereby come to my next V, that is vocal. Vocal means, let me explain you first what is vocal. Vocal is your voice variety. आपने देखा पिछले 50 minutes में, I am with you from past 50 minutes, मैंने अपनी वॉइस की वैरायटी चेंज करी. मैंने अपनी वॉइस मॉड्यूलेट करा. I modulated my voice. How? I stressed on very important words. I slow down somewhere. I give the pauses in between. I stressed on important words. That is all about voice modulation and vocal variety. You are using your vocal cords, vocal variety. Now tell me how much important it is. वो कितना important है? बताने से पहले आप एक एग्जाम्पल देखिए. I will teach you without using my vocal variety. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, my name is Ankit Jain and I'm a government servant by profession, and a coach, a communication coach by passion. And I'm here to give you a lecture on communication structure and public speaking. We will talk about public speaking and communication structure also. Guys, now let me know, was that effective? No, nope, not at all. That was not effective. Focusing on important words, giving the pause in between, very important. Vocal. Now tell me the percentage quickly. Out of 100%, how much important is vocal? I want your answers quickly. 10, 20, 30, 80, 90. यार 93% से ज्यादा कोई मत करना प्लीज. अनिकेत, this is not fair. You are a student of mathematics, you are an engineer. 100% में से 7% जा चुका है, rest is 93%. Guys, please use your common sense. 93 से ज्यादा मत बोलना please. Okay, 88. Okay, Piyush, perfect. 38, correct. And the answer is, guys, this is not my findings. First of all, let me tell you that this is not my findings. This is scientifically proven. Research batati hai that vocal variety weighs 38%. 38%. And I here come to the third V, that is visual. अब मुझे कोई बताएगा visual का कितना percentage हुआ? Quickly. A big Dairy Milk chocolate from my side for you. Who is the first one to tell? 55. Piyush, thank you. 55%. As you are watching me virtually, here I present you a virtual chocolate. Thank you. Piyush, when I'll come to give a lecture there physically, I'll definitely give you chocolates. Thank you. Visual is 55%. 55% आपके कम्युनिकेशन का विजुअल्स हैं. Guys, please open up your eyes. मैं आपको एक और स्टडी बताता हूँ. As I'm a public speaker from past 4 years, I'm doing this. I'm a professional speaker for past 4 years. I'm doing this. I want to share with you one thing. Within first 15 seconds, the speaker will be perceived as a good speaker or a bad speaker. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? पहले 15 सेकंड में ही ऑडियंस डिसाइड कर लेती है कि स्पीकर कैसा है. यस, कि स्पीकर एनर्जेटिक है, स्पीकर बूइंग है, ये आज हमको सुलाने वाला है या व्हाटएवर. पीपल विल जज यू इन द फर्स्ट 15 सेकंड्स. और वो भी 15 सेकंड स्टेज के नहीं. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट वॉकिंग towards the stage, आप अपनी सीट से उठते हैं and you start walking towards the stage, and as soon as you reach your stage, people will judge you. People will presume that okay, this is going to be good. And online classes. Yes, true. Online classes also communication structure differs. I'll tell you. Thank you. So people will perceive about you in the first 15 seconds. आपने अब तक कुछ बोला ही नहीं. कितना भी अच्छा कंटेंट ले आओ, they will not listen to you. Hence, मैं आपको बताता हूँ that public speaking is a tough job. यार, दुनिया में टफ क्या नहीं है? As soon as you get to earth, सब कुछ टफ है. Life is like that only, and you have to manage through it. Okay, and same with the case with public speaking. पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के साथ भी यही केस है. पीपल विल परसीव यू. एक और चीज आज आपको बताता हूं. एक सेशन में द स्पीकर वाज स्पीकिंग, okay, in front of huge audience, thousands of people are there. A speaker is speaking on a mic, and the audience, majority of the audience was sleeping. Majority of the audience सो रही थी. Then somebody said him that wake up the audience. Guys, somebody wake up the audience. I said no. I will say no, and every speaker will say no. It's the high time to wake up the speaker and not the audience. If the audience is sleeping in your session, 100% responsibility is of the speaker. If the audience is sleeping, it is the time to wake up the speaker and not the audience. Audience की गलती नहीं है, वो तो comfort zone में बैठे हैं ना भीड़ में, मैंने आपको बताया था. They are sitting in the crowd and they are just enjoying and chilling. They will go to sleep very easily. They are sitting in the air conditioned room. They will go to sleep. It's your duty. It's your duty to wake them up with whatever you want to do. You want to engage them with your question answer with a lot of things to cover. We can just talk about that maybe in the next session, in any other session. And here I come to the third topic of the day. Third topic, that is 3-step influential process. 3-step influential process. आप किसी बंदे से मिल रहे हैं. Maybe you are meeting somebody for the very first time. You are meeting a stranger, or you are meeting somebody, your client, your angel investor. If you are an entrepreneur, you are going to pitch your idea to an angel investor or something like that. आप किसी से भी मिल रहे हैं. आप एक student हैं, एक दूसरे student से मिल रहे हैं, like in any sort. Okay. 3-step influential process. You have to influence the other person before speaking. How? I'll tell you. 3-step influential process. First step is meeting process. Meeting process. Guys, science has proved this thing. Okay, you have to just follow these steps and you will see the things moving for you. People will actually listen to you. Believe me, you just have to follow the simple 3 steps. So first step is meeting process. Second step is rapport building. Rapport building, I will tell you in detail about everything, about all the 3 steps. And the third step is communication skills. Communication skills means actually communicating. और हम लोग क्या करते हैं, like I'm a sales representative of a company. Let's suppose I'm a sales representative of a company. As I worked in Saint Gobain Glass, guys, before my government job, I worked in Saint Gobain Glass. It's a global MNC. It's leaders in glass manufacturing. I have worked there in Saint Gobain Glass. Let's suppose I'm the sales representative of Saint Gobain Glass. I'm going to meet a client. मैं उनको glass बेचने जा रहा हूँ. Okay. Now, if as soon as I meet him, I will just start opening my mouth and just start telling, sir, this is the glass. This is going to be very useful for you. And the price also we can just negotiate, and you just this glass and you will see the changes happening in your building, and your building aesthetics will look really awesome, really good. And you can actually cut the sun rays from outside up to 40%. Like I have explained a lot about the glass. Sorry, but the problem is, as soon as I meet him, I started talking. और most of the cases में यही गलती हम लोग करते हैं. मैंने उस क्लाइंट का पर्सपेक्टिव तो जाना ही नहीं, वो मेरे से चाह क्या रहा है ये तो मैंने पूछा ही नहीं. Yes, I just pitched one type of glass to him and just tell him, sir, you just purchase it and it's going to be awesome. No, process होता है. आपको इनको अपने इन्फ्लुएंस में लाना है. इन्फ्लुएंस में लाने के लिए 3 स्टेप प्रोसेस को फॉलो करो. मीटिंग प्रोसेस, रिपोर्ट बिल्डिंग, एंड देन एक्चुअली कम्युनिकेट विद हिम. पहले उनकी बात जान लो, उनका क्या डिमांड है आपसे वो जान लो, देन यू एक्चुअली कम्युनिकेट. नाउ हियर कम टू माय फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस बिल्डिंग, दैट इज मीटिंग प्रोसेस. ओके, उससे पहले आप मुझे बताइए गाइज, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय rapport building? This is a very common term, rapport building. Anybody quickly just unmute yourself and or just type there. Yeah, what do you mean by rapport building? Yeah, quickly guys. timing. Sachin Kumar sir. Rapport building timing. I didn't get you, but don't worry. At least you have tried. You are again a winner. At least you have tried. Thank you. Mutual understanding. Develop mutual trust. Friendship. Ravi. Absolute. What else? Guys, हमको एक काम करना पड़ेगा. 34 में से जो 3-4 स्टूडेंट्स जवाब दे रहे हैं ना, आज अटेंडेंस केवल उन्हीं को मिलनी चाहिए. रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड बी मार्क एब्सेंट टुडे. Guys, please just wake up and let me know your perspective, because your perspective is also very important for me. Okay, मैंने आपको बताया, I'm not here to teach you. No, we are just here to exchange our perspectives. Aishwarya, please speak up. तालमेल बैठाना. Absolutely, absolutely. इसका भी प्रोसेस होता है. मैं बताऊंगा आप किस तरीके से, किस स्ट्रैटेजी से तालमेल बिठा सकते हैं, और ये बिठाना आपको आना ही चाहिए. आना ही चाहिए. इंटरव्यू में जब आप जाते हैं, फर्स्ट 1 मिनट विल डिसाइड योर फेट. गाइज, पहला 1 मिनट आपका फेट डिसाइड कर देगा कि यू आर इन और आउट. पहले 1 मिनट में शायद आपने एक भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दिया, उसके बावजूद क्योंकि 1 मिनट में डिसाइड हो चुका है that you are in or out. Yes, this is the truth. How you open the gate, how you greet them, how you approach the chair, how you sit down there, how you use your hands, your hand gestures, your body movement, how you are using your legs. Are you shaking your legs or not? Everything is very, very important. Very, very important. Now, meeting process. First step of this influential process is meeting process. Guys, as soon as you meet somebody, मैंने आपको बताया, you are a speaker, you are approaching the stage, or you are a interviewee, and you are approaching the interviewer. Okay, you are approaching that room towards the interviewer. Your dressing sense is very, very important. Very, very important it is. You should wear as per the situation, you should wear the dress. Most important. That is your first impression. Okay. Second thing is feelings. What do I mean by feelings? Feelings simply mean, guys, your aura, your energy. Again, this will be implemented everywhere. If you are a speaker, you are going to the stage. If you are an interviewee, you are going in front of the interviewer. Your feelings, your aura, your energy. आपकी एनर्जी कैसी है, आपका ऑरा कैसा है, आप किस तरह उनको ग्रीट कर रहे हैं, किस तरह उनसे हैंडशेक कर रहे हैं, whatever it is. Your aura will decide everything. Your confidence have to be great. No, it's not about looks. Looks is something different. That how you look. Some people tell me, जब मैं मास्टर क्लासेस लेता हूँ, लाइक आई कोच माय स्टूडेंट्स इन माय 30-day चैलेंज बैच, मेरा पूरा बैच चलता है, उसमें स्टूडेंट्स बोलते हैं दैट सर आई लुक अगली. यस, पीपल टेल मी, they tell me individually, sir, I look ugly, I don't want to do public speaking, I am not confident enough, sir, I don't look good. Yeah, sir, otherwise they will say, sir, I don't have that much knowledge, who will listen to me, sir? Guys, let me tell you that is a limiting belief. I don't have that much knowledge and I look ugly. Yeah, that is the biggest limiting belief. That is the biggest roadblock in your life, in your mind. So that is why I say, and again, even if now you think that you are not pretty, not smart, just go at your home and ask your mother how beautiful you are. Okay, how beautiful you are. Hence, I always tell you that your energy, your aura will decide everything. अगर आप पहले से ये सोच के जा रहे हो that I'm not pretty and I'm not smart, I'm not handsome, confidence is less. Your aura will be downwards, going downwards, and hence your presentation will be going downwards. Your audience will not engage with you, not at all. Your aura decides everything. And next, your body language. Body language, how you are using your body parts, how you are using the stage, how you are using your hands, your hand gestures, your body postures. Everything is very, very important. मैंने आपको बताया, in the communication structure, 55% is visuals, 55% visuals हैं. इसीलिए इस 3-step influential process में first step is meeting process. अभी आपने बोलना भी शुरू नहीं करा, and they will start judging you. They will start judging you. Harsh, come on, Harsh. That is acting. That is acting. That is something different. That is something different. I actually admire Johnny Lever, Malinga. That's true. They are not pretty. Yes, guys, they are not pretty at all. Yes, you agree with me? But the thing is, they are not believing this. मैंने आपको बताया जो उनके limiting beliefs हैं वो टूट चुके हैं. They only concentrate on their acting. Johnny Lever, Ajay Devgan, and hence their aura will work wonders for them. Their aura, their energy. Whenever Ajay Devgan gets entered in some movie, his energy, his aura will do everything for him. Okay, body language is everything. True, they are confident because they are not thinking on those lines that I'm not pretty, I'm not smart. They are not thinking on those lines. Johnny Lever, wow, what an actor he is. What an actor he is. But again, he don't look good. Then don't worry. Don't worry about it. It's all about your presentation, your body language, not your body color, not your skin color, not at all. It's not about your skin color. Rajpal Yadav, yes, you all are very filmy, huh? Rajpal Yadav, that short guy, he is awesome. He is simply awesome. अगर वो limiting belief अपने मन में लेकर बैठ जाता that यार छोटा सा है, नाटा सा है, right? मैं तो नहीं कर पाऊंगा. I can't do that. I can't do that. मैं तो ऐसा Hardik Pandya, yeah, true. You are having a lot of examples. Okay. Now, next thing. Body posture. Body posture. You are going to appear in an interview and you are sitting in front of the interviewer. How you are sitting. You are sitting like lazy like this, or you are sitting attentively. You looks interested. You should look interested that yes, you are interested in the interview. आप interested हैं. So many examples. Thank you guys. I think now you wake up. Now you all wake up, giving all the examples. Thank you for pouring in so many messages. Your body posture, your backbone should be straight. Okay. Technical training. So how can okay, no, this is the thing that you can tell better because you are hardcore professionals. मतलब आप ही असली टीचर हैं, नितेश जी and मोनिका मैम and everybody here. Yes, मैं वो टीचर नहीं हूँ, मैं इतने घंटों तक पढ़ा भी नहीं सकता. Yes, I can tell that. जो एनर्जी लेवल आप लोगों का है 8 से 9 घंटे का लेक्चर आप ले सकते हैं एक दिन में. Hats off to you. Hats off to you. And you are again maintaining that energy level, your aura, very important. And Nitesh ji, I want to tell you one more thing. That audience is not new to you. Yeah. So your aura will not work that much. But if you are meeting somebody the very first time, your aura is everything. Your energy is everything. The students are your old students. They know you already. Yeah. They will just concentrate on what you will talk now in this particular case. And hats off to you guys. You are the actual, you are carving our future, the future of our country, actually. Now, eye contact. Eye contact. If you are not confident, you all are, आप सभी लोग इंटरव्यू में अपीयर करने वाले होंगे या फिर काफी इंटरव्यूज में आप अपीयर कर चुके होंगे. You can actually correlate with me. If you are not confident, you will not maintain that eye contact. आप आंखों से आंखें नहीं मिलाएंगे और जब तक नहीं मिलाएंगे मीटिंग प्रोसेस पूरा नहीं हो पाएगा. That influence you will not be able to make that influence, not at all. So eye contact, firm eye contact is very, very important. Firm and gentle. Smile. that is a free of cost weapon you are having. Yes, I always call it free of cost weapon. And the problem is we don't use this weapon. We don't use this weapon. Why? That in most of the cases we are under pressure. यार पता नहीं क्या क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, पता नहीं यार वो what he will judge me. Contact makes you feel more confident. Absolutely, Piyush. Eye contact will make you feel confident. Absolutely. So smile is something that can actually change the perspective of the other person. With perspective he or she is thinking about you, it can be changed totally with your smile, with your gentle smile. Hand movements, I told you, your body language, your hand movements. As I'm talking to you, I'm moving my hands. Yeah, if I don't move my hands, if I don't move my body, I'm still like this, like statue sitting in front of you and talking. Not effective at all. You have to move your hands. Yeah. Tone of voice. Apni tone of voice. You know what, guys? You know what? इस दुनिया में जितने भी डाइवोर्सेस हुए हैं ना, मैक्सिमम ऑफ देम का रीजन है टोन ऑफ वॉइस. हमारी टोन ऑफ वॉइस ठीक नहीं थी, इस वजह से डाइवोर्स हो रहे हैं. मैक्सिमम ऑफ देम का रीजन यही है, टोन ऑफ वॉइस. मैक्सिमम पार्टनरशिप ब्रेक्स का रीजन यही है. एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग फाइन, बट उस दिन उसने ऐसा कुछ बोला, टोन ऑफ वॉइस वाज नॉट गुड एंड पार्टनरशिप ब्रेक हो गई. हमेशा के लिए पार्टनरशिप ब्रेक हो गई. या सो टोन ऑफ वॉइस इज ऑलवेज यू हैव टू लुक आफ्टर. It can actually make or break any relationship. And now here I come to the step number 2, that is rapport building. Rapport building, guys, you have to build that rapport. Yeah, Piyush wants to ask something. जब IIT and NIT में एक जैसे टीचर होते हैं जिनके एम टारगेट कंप्लीट करना है. टारगेट, सो एनर्जी कैसे लाए?
यस सर, केवल टारगेट कंप्लीट करने का मतलब है कि उनको बस है कि हाँ ये ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम कराना है. 8 घंटा नितेश प्रधान आया है, वो बोलेगा. अब क्या बोलेगा, क्यों बोलेगा नहीं, वो आके बैठेंगे 10 मिनट चाय के लिए चलते हैं सर क्लास के बीच में. आफ्टर दैट वो ये प्रिटेंड करते हैं कि यार हम तो आईआईटी में है, प्रोफेसर है, हमने अपना पीएचडी खत्म कर चुका है, तुम 32 साल के लड़के हमें क्या सिखा रहे हो. वो उनके चेहरे से झलकता है. आप जो बोल रहे हैं सर कि पिच मेंटेन करना, स्टार्ट के 10 मिनट 15 मिनट 1 घंटा 2 घंटा, लेकिन 8 घंटा जब आप टेक्निकल चीजें बोल रहे हैं, आईआईटी एनआईटी हो गया या किसी डीआरडीओ में हूं या इसरो जैसे प्लेस गया हूं, तो वहां पर सर मेंटेन बहुत मुश्किल होता है. वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशंस एंड स्माइल फेस, क्योंकि धीरे धीरे एनर्जी डाउन होता है और पेट से तेज भूख निकलता है ना सर, तो उस समय नहीं होता सर. उस समय जितने भी ये सॉफ्ट स्किल हो या ट्रेनिंग ली गई हो या दी गई हो, सब खत्म हो जाता है, क्योंकि बॉडी वहां पर उसको रिवेल करने लगता है सर.
Okay, it means, Nitesh ji, please rectify me if I'm wrong. It simply means that their energy is overpowering your energy, Nitesh ji. But that should not happen. What my perspective is, their energy should not overpower your energy. Let me tell you an example.
यस सर, यू आर राइट. बट आज के आपके मीटिंग में अगर बीच में हम इंटरेक्ट नहीं करते तो अकेले आप कितना देर पढ़ाते?
Yeah, true. But I have to finish it with my 100% energy. मैं फिनिश करता.
हाँ 90 मिनट्स के लिए, पर 8 घंटे के लिए नॉट.
Yeah.
ओके सर.
That's true. That's true. But मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ. You have to maintain your energy. This is your responsibility. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, ये तो वही बात हो गई ना कि you are a public speaker and your audience is sleeping. Then what's wrong in that? मुझे एक चीज और बताइए, आपकी ऑडियंस में that प्रोफेसर्स भी बैठते हैं आपकी ट्रेनिंग में?
मेरा अभी तक मैं नियरली 1000 कॉलेज में ट्रेनिंग देने जा चुका हूँ और उसमें मैक्सिमम केवल फैकल्टी ही होते हैं या तो पीएचडी स्कॉलर होंगे.
फैकल्टीज की ट्रेनिंग?
फैकल्टीज या तो पीएचडी स्कॉलर, बस 2 होते हैं.
ओके.
और उनका क्या है कि वो सामान परचेस किए हैं नेशनल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स कंपनी से या किसी कंपनी से, तो उनको उस पर ट्रेनिंग चाहिए. बट ट्रेनिंग कैसा चाहिए कि हाँ उन्हें बिल में दिखाना है कि ट्रेनिंग हुई और हमने दिन भर का जो टेंडर में कंप्लीट किया, हमें पैसा मिलेगा सामने.
I want to intervene. I mean, on the two perspective, one is वो ठीक है उनको अपने कागजों में दिखाना है, they might not be interested in that technical training because that is something different kind of thing. Second thing is हमारे लड़कों की 2 बजे से फिर से क्लास है, तो let us first finish जो मिस्टर अंकित कर रहे हैं, and after finishing the session, you
Then we will take up.
and anybody else out of the audience, any student connected. Once our planned session is over, then definitely we can have one-to-one query either from you or from me or from any student. Am I right?
Absolutely.
Okay,
Sure.
thank you.
Yeah. So before proceeding further, I want to add on one thing. Same is the case with our department, प्रधान जी and everybody. क्या होता है कि कोई भी एक नया सॉफ्टवेयर लॉन्च हुआ या फिर कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेशन की ट्रेनिंग होनी है, वट एवर इट इज, बहुत तरह की ट्रेनिंग्स होती है हमारी. सो दैट ट्रेनिंग हैव टू बी हैव ऑन पेपर्स. Nobody is interested to learn new things. That is people's perspective. But from our perspective, like हमारे perspective से क्या important है? On the trainer's perspective, like I also train my fellow colleagues on soft skills, on presentation skills, on communication skills, on public speaking. They are not interested. The administration has set up a session. They have to come. They have to give their attendance. But I am committed to give. Out of me, 100 people are sitting there. If 10 are listening to me very attentively, my job is done. अगर 100 में से 10 की भी जिंदगी में बदलाया, my job is done. I'm more than happy. So this is my perspective. We will just talk about this. Rapport building. Rapport building. You have to build your rapport among them. वो आपको जाने, पहचाने, जैसे किसी ने बताया था जान पहचान बढ़ाना, कैसे बढ़ाना है. That is also very important. You will greet them. Yeah, that is simple. Not only greet them, you will just tell their name and a bit about yourself. Like me, if I have to introduce myself, I will not say I'm Ankit Jain. No. My name is, hello sir, my name is Ankit Ravindra Jain. I am a government servant by profession and a communication coach by passion. And I am on a mission to transform at least 100,000 lives by the end of 2025 by helping them enhancing their communication skills and public speaking skills. This is called elevator pitch. Guys, आज समय नहीं है, अगले किसी और सेशन में हम लोग प्लान करेंगे and we will, I can tell you a lot of things. This is called elevator pitch. आपकी elevator pitch तैयार होनी चाहिए हर वक्त. Like right now, randomly, impromptu, I just delivered my that elevator pitch. Within, I think, 20 seconds, I tell a lot about myself. That is called elevator pitch. And this, यही mistake होती है interviews में. इंटरव्यूअर का पहला क्वेश्चन, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ. वहीं हम लोग, खैर मैं डॉक्टर मोनिका और प्रधान जी से बात करूंगा. वी विल टेक, आई वांट टू गिव सेशंस ऑन इंटरव्यू आल्सो, हाउ टू क्रैक इंटरव्यूज. उसमें हम लोग बातें करेंगे बहुत सारी. उसमें हम लोग यही गलती करते हैं. द इंटरव्यूअर विल से प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ एंड यू विल टेल all the irrelevant things there, all the irrelevant things. और वहीं पर ही आपके नाम के आगे कट लग जाता है. वहीं पर ही आपका इंटरव्यू 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट, 20 मिनट चल जाए, then and there you are out. और आपको पता भी नहीं होता आपने कितना ब्लंडर किया है. आप खुद सोच के देखिए ना. आप introduce yourself. This is the most common question. In 99% of the cases, आपको ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा और अगर इसी क्वेश्चन का आप जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे हैं तो आप आगे क्या जवाब देंगे. Your preparedness, your seriousness पता चलती है इससे. Yes, so इसके बारे में एक बात बोलना चाहूंगा, that the way you do one thing is the way you do everything. I repeat, the way you do one thing, one silly thing, is the way you do everything. आपका एटीट्यूड पता चल जाता है उस एक आंसर से ही. Yeah. Now, greeting is very important. With your name and a bit about you. A bit. Now, find something common. कुछ भी कॉमन सर्च कीजिए. आप इंटरव्यू में जा रहे हैं, आपको मालूम है कौन आपका इंटरव्यू लेने वाला है. अगर आपको मालूम है, जस्ट सर्च अबाउट हिम ऑन लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल एंड try to find out something common. Common can be the hometown, the language, the native place, the state, anything it can be. And the best part is, if you find out something common as your pain point, your job is done. Consider your job done. If you are able to find out the pain point, My pain point, my entire life, that I was not a successful guy until 2009. 2009 तक I was just a gone case, मतलब बैक बेंचर एंड एवरीथिंग. मैंने पूरी चीज अपनी जोश टॉक वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन करी है. जस्ट गो एंड वॉच दैट. I was a gone case. Yes, I'm telling that you. Till 2009. So my pain point was that this education system is bad. I don't want to study and everything is bad. I have to study. If I want to get successful in life, I have to study. I was thinking that this is the worst part in the education system, but that is how it works. After that, I transformed my life. I changed my mindset. A lot of things happened. So if you are able to find out the pain point, जिस पेन से मैं गुजरा हूं, what was the pain? I was a tier 2 city guy. सहारनपुर से मैं बिलोंग करता हूं और वहां पर कम्युनिकेशन को लेकर हर दूसरा स्टूडेंट स्ट्रगल कर रहा है. हर दूसरा क्या, हर स्टूडेंट स्ट्रगल कर रहा है कम्युनिकेशन को लेकर. उस स्ट्रगल को मैं खत्म करना चाहता हूं. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम ऑन अ मिशन. आई एम ऑन अ मिशन. इसलिए मैं इसको बोलता हूं दैट आई एम ऑन अ मिशन. ओके, दैट इज माय पेन पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट, rapport बिल्डिंग में और चीजें करते हैं डिस्कस. दैट इज notice something good. You can compliment them. Complimenting is the best thing. Maybe about his shirt, about his aura, his energy. You can tell, sir, your energy is superb. I really love it. You can say that, sir, your energy is superb. Anything. Notice something good and tell him. Okay, after all, he or she is also a human being. He or she will be happy hearing that. Now, at last, I want to tell you that you have to be a good listener. आपको good listener बनना ही पड़ेगा. You have to become a cautious and active listener. For sure. And you know why? That, like, to be a good communicator, it is very, very essential to be a good listener. अगर आप अच्छे listener नहीं हैं, आप अच्छे communicator नहीं बन सकते. आप कितनी भी अच्छे वक्ता हो, आप बोल सकते हो बहुत अच्छे, डजंट मैटर. आपकी लिसनिंग स्किल्स अच्छी नहीं है, आप अच्छे कम्युनिकेटर नहीं बन सकते. एंड नाउ हियर आई कम टू माय थर्ड एंड द लास्ट स्टेप of 3-step influential process. It is communication skills. Now it is the time, after meeting process, then rapport building. Now it is the time you actually have to communicate your thing. जो भी आपका CTA है, you know CTA, guys, anybody? Call to action. Anybody know? Whatever is your CTA, आपका जो भी कॉल टू एक्शन है. जैसे मैं सेल्समैन था, राइट? आई वाज अ सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव इन सेंट गोबेन ग्लास. मैंने आपको एग्जांपल बताया. मेरा CTA क्या था कि मुझे ग्लास सेल करना है इस क्लाइंट को, राइट? आई वांटेड टू सेल दैट ग्लास टू माय क्लाइंट, बट इनिशियल स्टेज में नहीं. इनिशियल स्टेज में आई विल फॉलो द प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर, मीटिंग प्रोसेस, देन rapport building, and then कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. आखिर में आके मैं अपनी बात बोलूंगा, क्योंकि अब तक मे बी विद इन नेक्स्ट 5 to 10 minutes मैं उनको समझ चुका हूं. वो चाहते क्या हैं, उनके पेन पॉइंट्स क्या हैं, सब कुछ. क्या पता ऐसा कुछ कनेक्शन मिल जाए बात करते करते, दैट कनेक्शन विल वर्क. दैट विल डेफिनेटली वर्क. मे बी योर कम्युनिटी, दैट कम्युनिटी विल ऑल्सो वर्क समटाइम्स. दैट कॉमन थिंग you have to find out. And at the last, you actually have to speak up. That is communication skills. And here we go, guys. A gift for you. For whom? For only the action takers. You 28-30 guys, those who have taken that action and actually came in this workshop. Only and only for you, and not for everybody. My handcrafted ebook, a detailed ebook on how to crack any interview like a pro. Just go through this book. I will send you this book. Okay, I'll tell you how I'll send you. Just go through this book, guys, and I'm sure that 60-70% or maybe 80% of your doubt will get cleared. I've explained a lot of things, a lot of questions, frequently asked questions, and how to answer them. Just go through this book. Don't miss it. Okay, now how you will have this book? You just ping me. You just go to Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn, anywhere. You just ping me. Me or somebody from my team will just get in touch with you and give you this book for sure. Just give the reference of ITS and you will find this book. Okay. And this is it from my side. Now, I think I missed some queries.
Thank you so much. Yeah, there are so many students. If anyone is having any query, then definitely we are welcoming you for any query. And those who just want to rush because they have classes from 2 o'clock, I mean, they may go, but those who are having query,
yeah,
they may ask.
Sure. Thank you. Aniket, Aishwarya, thank you. Thanks a lot. Most welcome. Yeah, just go through this book. That is going to be very awesome.
Someone
I believe
has asked difference. Ravi Shah has asked difference between body language and body posture.
Yeah. Okay, Ravi. Fine. One by one, we will take the questions. Body language. Body language starts from here, from your hair till your legs. क्या मतलब है इसका? Body language. आपकी body different parts कैसे travel कर रहे हैं? Like right now, my hands are traveling. Yeah, my hands are moving from here to here. I'm just explaining you something. Okay, my hands are moving. This is my body language. My body language is confident. Yes or no? You can actually perceive from after looking at me that my body language is confident. And about the body posture, our body posture, like right now, I'm sitting straight. My backbone is straight. I'm very attentive. I want to just give back to my society. I just want you to learn new things in life. I'm very much eager. Yeah, I'm very much waiting for you to learn new things. That is seen by my body posture. I'm sitting straight. That is body posture. Everything comes under visual. A big umbrella, visual, that is 55% body language and body posture.
Okay, thank you so much. I totally agree with you.
What is the tone of the speech? Tone of the speech. Okay, I told you that tone. क्या होता है guys? कभी-कभी because of some anger, हम लोग अपनी हमारी tone increase हो जाती है, right? In a fit of anger. Yeah, हम लोग गुस्सा कर देते हैं किसी के ऊपर. That tone we have to just modulate. इसके लिए क्या करें? Best part that I always implement in my life. For 1 or 2 minutes, don't speak to anybody. As simple as that. And within next 2 minutes or 5 minutes, your anger will go away. Yeah. Yes, sir. We are ready to join this webinar. It response. Okay. What okay. What else, guys? Just let me know. Okay, communication structure for our online classes. Beautiful. Online classes. ठीक है. मैंने आपको 3 चीजें बताई. Verbal, vocal, and visual. Right. Guys, यहाँ पर vocal variety बहुत ज़्यादा होने वाली है. That is 80%. Yes, that is true. 80% vocal variety role play करेगी in this structure. Specifically when you are in online classes. Okay, because your visuals are 0. Yeah, your visuals are 0, almost 0. Like when you are not switching on your camera, your visuals are 0. Vocal variety will play a very vital role. Very vital role. How? मैंने आपको बताया. Pauses कैसे लेना है अपनी speech के बीच में. How to focus on important words. How to modulate your voice. High pitch, low pitch. मेरी voice modulation की video जाकर देखिए YouTube पर. Just type on YouTube Ankit Jain voice modulation. You will find my video. Just go and watch that video. You will learn new things. A lot to learn, guys. A lot to learn. Okay. I hope that I have answered your query. Tushar, how to overcome stage fear? Beautiful. Stage fear. Okay, उससे पहले मुझे आप बताएं इस टर्म का नाम क्या है. स्टेज फियर को एक टर्म से पहचानते हैं लोग. टेल मी. स्टार्ट्स विद जी. एनीबॉडी नो? दिस इज द आंसर. ग्लोसो घबराहट. You guys are very creative. Starts with G, huh? प्रगति. Glossophobia. Glossophobia. और आप जानते हैं that almost everybody is suffering from this fear. That is glossophobia. Glossophobia means fear from public speaking. Fear from public speaking. Stage पर जाने का fear. Tushar, I think I will be giving an entire lecture on that. How to overcome stage fear. अभी के लिए मैं आपको केवल एक चीज बता दूं. केवल एक चीज. That you have to be confident with your content. First of all, मैंने आपको बताया आपका content केवल 7% important है और 100% important है आपके लिए. कैसे? अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी doubtful है ना अपने content को लेकर, then you will be having that fear. And if your content is coming directly from your heart, like right now, communication thing, communication structure, मुझे कोई सोते हुए भी पूछेगा ना, I can answer any question. Why? Because it comes directly from my heart. ये मेरे दिल के नजदीक है. पिछले 4 साल से मैं यही काम कर रहा हूँ. Right? So ऐसा कुछ आप बताएं. अपनी personal story आप बता रहे हैं. Personal story. There is nothing to hide and there is nothing to learn. आपको कुछ याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है, याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. It will come directly from your heart. It's just an example. So there is no question will arise of stage fear. You will not have that. Otherwise, we can take an entire session on that.
Sir, I messaged you on your Instagram handler
Okay, great.
for that book part, sir.
No problem. Somebody will get in touch with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
On behalf of you. Okay. So, shall we call it a day? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Dr. Monica.
Thank you. I would like to again extend my sincere thanks on behalf of EC Department, ITS Engineering College. You spared your invaluable time and I have also learned a lot in your session. I mean, it was wonderful session. From bottom of my heart, I can say there are few things that are missing even in our communication. Like life is all about learning, and really enjoyed your session and learned a lot. And I'm hoping my students have also enjoyed and learned something. Students, I also would like to hear something from you people. Anyone?
Yes, ma'am. We also
Sir,
learned.
it's really a very great session. Very energetic and very power punching.
जो आपकी रेगुलर क्लासेस से हटके आपको कुछ अच्छा लगा?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is something like the energetic thing, like the Vivek Bindra sir said in the Bada Vin.
Bounce back.
Bounce back.
Good.
Okay. Worth it. Great. That makes my day. Worth it. आपके
Thank you,
90
sir.
मिनट वेस्ट नहीं होने चाहिए थे. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर. मैं सालों से ट्रेनिंग दे रहा हूँ बट आपसे काफी कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला.
अरे सर.
और वो ये है कि लंबे समय से ट्रेनिंग देते हुए भी हमेशा मेरा जो फीडबैक रहा है वो 40 to 50% ही रहा है और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत किया कि उसे एक्सेलरेट करूं ट्रेनिंग और चीज़ों को कि 80 से 90% जाए. बट जो आपने बोला वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन एंड ऑल, मैं प्रैक्टिस करूंगा, थोड़ा मोड़ा योगा वगैरह भी करूंगा, लेकिन आई विल ट्राई टू मॉड्यूलेट और मैं उस एनर्जी को मेंटेन रखने की कोशिश करूंगा जो टाइमली ड्रॉप हो जाता है. थैंक यू सर फॉर दिस.
True, sir. Thank you, Nitesh. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everybody. So, shall I log out? Dr. Monica, Nitesh.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.